What's up? My name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to migrate all of your settings, preferences, presets, etc. from a normal version of Premiere Pro to the beta version of Premiere Pro. It's incredibly simple, and by the end of the video, you'll be able to work in the new version pretty much as fast as you were able to work in the old version of Premiere Pro. It's really simple. So to begin, you'll need both copies installed on your computer, or of course the copy that you're going to use. You'll need access to the file system of the other computer, older hard drives, etc. that may have your settings from the previous version of Premiere Pro. Of course, this will also work for migrating settings from one version to another, but I'm going to specifically focus on the normal version to the beta version in this video. So, Adobe saves preferences and options in two places, and we'll need to back up and move those files while we're working. We'll open up a new file browser with Start and E, and it'll look something like this. What we're going to do is navigate into the Documents folder. If you're using a different hard drive, it'll be in C, Users, the username, Documents, and we'll need to open the Adobe folder over here. Inside of this folder, you'll see a Premiere Pro folder, and if you have the beta installed, a beta folder. These folders here store a whole bunch of versions, and inside of the versions, all of your user settings, preferences, and data. 15.0 is the version that I'm currently using, and all of my effect presets settings are all saved here. What we need to do is copy the profile folder in its entirety, as such, Control-C, and we'll need to copy and paste it into the beta folder over here, simply overwriting anything that it comes across. So, replace the files in the destination. Of course, I'd recommend making a backup of this just in case something goes wrong. Anyways, now that we've moved that file across, we do need to check one more place as well. At the very top, click View and make sure Hidden Items is checked. That'll allow us to see the hidden folder we're about to navigate into. Click at the very top in an open space and we'll be typing %, data, and hitting Enter. Open the Adobe folder in here, and finally we'll be looking for Premiere Pro once again. You can see Premiere Pro and Premiere Pro Beta. Inside the folder, we have yet more versions, and inside of the versions folder, we have a bunch of different files and settings. What you want to do is copy all of the settings from inside of here, go back, and open up the beta folder where we'll be opening up the correct version and pasting those files in here, replacing everything that it comes across. Now, when we go ahead and open up the new Premiere Pro Beta, we'll see that all of our settings, keyboard shortcuts, hotkeys, export settings, and the rest have been copied across. So, opening up the last file that I used, you'll immediately see a bunch of errors, including different notifications for different transitions that could be missing, different effects, VSTs, etc. These are all demo VSTs, I think, from the Film Impact group or something like that. I don't use them, I just downloaded it at a stage, hence I have all of these errors here. The settings are looking for plugins that don't exist anymore. Regardless, you could probably tell my layout's changed a little bit, the colors have changed, maybe not. But if I go ahead and hit, say, Q to cut back to the beginning, or W to break forwards, etc., things are working as they should be. My keyboard shortcuts have been copied across. If I head across to Effects, you'll notice a Customs folder, which is where I keep a bunch of custom effects here that I usually use while creating videos. So if I go Adjustment Layer, drop this in here, and Effects Customs, I'll import one of my presets from here. Playing it zooms in as it usually does in the previous version of Premiere Pro. From here, everything else has been copied across. You can continue working from where you were previously, and that's really about it. It's nice and simple. But anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!